Develop a database detailing cars available in India. Construct a table outlining various cars and record different variables like mileage, on-road price, number of variants, USB ports, and install sensors. Categorize each feature as either numerical or categorical. This database lists cars in India with features categorized as numerical, numbers, or categorical, types, features, first, mileage, how far a car can travel per liter of fuel. Numerical, example 20 kilometers per liter, second, on-road price, total cost to buy a car, including taxes, insurance, etc. Numerical, example 10 lakhs rupees, third, number of variants, different versions of a car model. Numerical, example 3 variants, fourth, USB ports, ports for charging connecting devices. Numerical, example 2 ports, fifth, install sensors, types of sensors like parking or rain sensors. Categorical. Now, let's construct a simple table with these details are here. Provide instances of data loss and emphasize the importance of a recovery plan. List crucial documents for safeguarding to prevent loss, like birth certificates. Advertisements aired during TV programs database are here. First, variety in number of ads. Comedy shows like Giggles Night feature more ads, likely due to their high viewer engagement and lighter mood. Second, diversity in types of ads. Various ad types, commercials, sponsored messages, banner ads, product placements, are utilized based on the show's format and audience engagement tactics. Third, targeted product categories. Ads align closely with the interests of the show's audience. For instance, drama series like Emotional Waves feature ads for books and online learning, while science fiction shows like Galaxy Explorers showcase tech gadgets and science magazines.